What is going on, guys? We're back with another motherfucking reaction. Two in the same day. Two in the same. I actually wanted to react to this one, so I'm just throwing it up there right now. Yo, excuse the hair, bro. My hair is fucking looking crazy right now. My lineup is wild. Yeah, I'm going bull.
Y aquí entre tú y yo, se me está cayendo el cabello.
Ah, su majestad, estoy seguro de que no se nota tanto. ¡Calvo! ¡Calvo! ¡Calvo!
¡Mis ojos! Muy bien, muy bien.
Going bold. So we're gonna be reacting to Bulin 47, Ceky Viciny, con Sonido. Hey, this is actually funny. So let's get right into the. Did I say the intro? If I didn't, subscribe, hit that like, share that shit with your mom, and let's get right into it. Con Sonido. Oh, 6ix9ine. Hey, yo!
Ew, you nasty ass bastard! You fucking nasty ass motherfucker! That's nasty, man!
Bro. He literally just made a Dembow about sucking hella dick. What the fuck? Yeah, I saw the TikToks of this cut right here. This shit was funny. Bop, 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 bop. I don't know, I never liked this guy's chat. Hey, yo, this song is mad gay.
Nah, bro, that's still gay. No, you're gay. He's gay. I'm not gay.
Yo, what the fuck? And then they be like, Papi, me no gay, papi, me no gay. But then they doing this shit. Go, con Sonido, nigga. Hey, yo! I don't know. It's gonna be a vibe though. I think this song just make like it's made by the fucking beat. It's nothing crazy. It's just saying one word, repeating that motherfucker. This is why I don't like reacting to this shit, cause it's nothing to critique. There's nothing there to critique. It's just the same word over and over and over again. So Dominican power all the way, but most likely you're never gonna see me react to this shit. But I thought this one was funny, bro. Talking about hella dick like that is wild. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you haven't shared that shit with your mother, share that shit with your mother. And hit that like, bro. Comment down below to see what I should react to next, bro. Come on. Drop that comment.